Hello children, how are you? Hope you will be good. Welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 8. The very first chapter of class 8 mathematics, that is rational number. In my previous video I just told you what is a rational number, what are the conditions of rational number. Right, and also we have discussed about the properties. What are the four properties I told you earlier? And one property we have done earlier, that was closure property. Okay, now come to the second property of rational number, that is what? Commutative property. Right children? Commutative property means that you have read in whole numbers also, in that integers also. Now you will read this same property in case of rational number. Now let us see. It's very simple. Okay, so let us start. Rational number can be added in any order. What does this commutative property says? That if we add two rational number, we can change its order. Okay, means rational number can be added in any order. Okay, so LHS we have written A plus B and RHS we have written B plus A. Let us take A as 1 by 2 and B as 2 by 3. Okay, so this can be written as, what is our B? That is 2 by 3, and what is our A? That is 1 by 2. Okay children, now if we have to add this, फर्स्टली व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें इसका एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा. हमने इसका एलसीएम लिया 2 और 3 का, कितना आया? 2 और 3 का एलसीएम कितना आएगा? 2 3 6, बोथ आर प्राइम नंबर्स, 6 आ गया. देन 2 कितने 6 होता है? 2 3 6, सो 1 3 3. राइट, व्हाट इज इन बिटवीन? दैट इज प्लस 3 कितने 6, 3 2 6, सो 2 into 2 is what? 4. Addition, you know, with fraction, how you have to do the addition. Okay, then is it equal to 2 by 3? Again I have taken 2 and 3 and 2 will get 6. Here we will get into 2 and here we get into 3. See, 3 2s are 6, तो ऊपर भी हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Here we will get 4, बीच में प्लस है. Then 2 कितने 6 होता है? 2 3 6, तो न्यूमरेटर को भी हमें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. देन विल गेट 3. सो व्हाट विल गेट हियर? सी, 3 plus 4 is 7 upon 6. दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट शी विल गेट हियर इज 7 upon 6. दैट मीन्स अगर हम दोनों रेशनल नंबर की पोजीशन को चेंज करते हैं, उसके ऑर्डर को चेंज करते हैं, ए पहले ना लिख के बी पहले लिख देते हैं, देन ऑल्सो विल गेट द सेम सोल्यूशन, will get the same sum. That means rational number can be added in any order. It is that following the rule of commutative property, right? So it is applicable for addition. Now children, come to the example. A minus B is equal to B minus A. Let us see. A is 1 by 2, B is 2 by 3, right? That is equal to B is what? 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. Okay children, this is what? 6. 2 कितने जा? 2 3 जा. This is 3 minus 3 कितने जा? 2 2 2 are 4. Here you will get what? Again 6 is the LCM. Here 6 is the LCM. Then 3 कितने से 6 होते हैं? 3 2 are 6, 2 से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई 4 minus 2 कितने जा? 2 3 are 6, so here multiply with 3. So what do you get? 3 minus 4, what do you get? Minus 1 upon 6. Is it equal to 4 minus 1 is 1 upon 6? Is minus 1 by 6 is equal to that 1 by 6? No. Means this commutative property does not go with what? subtraction. Right, children? Now let us come to the third operation, that is what? Multiplication. क्या होता है तीसरा हमारा मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन? दैट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. अब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे किसको? दो रैशनल नंबर को. ओके, बाय चेंजिंग इट्स ऑर्डर. राइट, तो हमने ले लिया a इंटू बी, दैट मस्ट बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? b इंटू a. सपोज आई हैव टेकन 1/2 and here I have taken 2/3. Right, children? Here I have taken 2/3 and here I have taken this. So what you will get? See, 2 and 2 cancel. What is left? 1/3. That is equal to 2 and 2 cancel. What is left? 1/3. That means 1/3 is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. That means what? This rational number is that applicable for rational number of if we multiply two rational numbers. Okay, if we multiply two rational numbers, then this property is applicable to that. Okay, for multiplication, commutative property is applicable. If we multiply two rational number, it is applicable. Now, under division it is not applicable. Means for division, if we divide two rational number, for division it is not applicable. Let us take an example. 1/2 divided by 2/3, that is equal to what? 2/3 divided by 1/2. Let us see. 1/2 it will become reciprocal. Reciprocal हो जाता है ये. 3 ऊपर चला जाएगा. ये डिवाइड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज हो जाता है. इट विल गो अप, देन इट विल बिकम 3/2. ओके, हियर व्हाट यू विल गेट? 2/3. इट विल गो अप. दिस इज 2/1. नाउ सी 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4. कट नहीं रहा ना कुछ भी, तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 3s are 3 and 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 2 2s are 4/3. Is these two numbers equal? No. That means it's not applicable in case of division of rational number. Commutative property is not applicable for division of two rational numbers. So children, I think this second property is clear to you. Now come to the third one property, that is associative property. What? Associative. Third property is associative property. Associative property. For associative property, we need what? 3 rational numbers. We need 3 rational numbers. Okay, let us take A, B and C. Right? Here also we will take all that 4 operations. First we have taken what? Addition. Right? Associative property says if the groups of 3 rational number, if we make the association of 3 rational numbers in any order, then LHS and RHS are equal. Let us see. In case of addition, if I'll say A plus B plus C, I have written this. That must be equal to A plus B plus C. Here we have made first association this, and second here in RHS I have made this association. Right? Now is it equal? Let us see. Is associative property applicable to addition of rational numbers? Let us see. A को हमने क्या ले लिया? 1/2. B को हमने क्या ले लिया? 3/2. And C I have taken 1/4. Right? Let us see this one. This is 1/2 plus this is what? B is 3/2 plus what? 1/4. You know Bodmer's rule. Firstly, you have to solve the brackets. So, if we solve the bracket, what is the LCM of this two? 2 only. Now 1 plus 3. Right children? अगर LCM 2 आया है, that means 2 ones are 2, 1 into 1 is 1, and 2 ones are 2, that means 3 into 1 is 3, right? And this is 1 by 4. Now here also 1 by 2 like this only, and here is the LCM is 4. 2 and 4 का LCM कितना आया? 4 आया. 2 कितने सा 4? 2 2s are 4, तो 3 2s are 6 आ गया. This is plus 4 कितने सा 4? 4 1s are 4, it is 1. So children, here we get 4 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. That must be equal to 1 upon 2 plus 7 upon 4. So let us see. Here I have taken 2 and 4 का LCM. कितना आ गया? 4 आ गया. ठीक है. 2 कितने से 4 होता है? 2 2s are 4. So here into this 4 2s are 8. Plus अब देखेंगे 4 1s are 4 होता है. 4 1s are 4 means into 1 this one. Okay. So you will get here. यहाँ पे भी आपका LCM कितना आया? 4 आया. अब 2 कितने से 4 होगा? 2 2s are 4 होगा, तो into 2 क्या? 1. This is 2 plus 4 कितने से 4 होता है? 4 1s are 4, so 7 into 1 is what? 7. Right? 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 4. That is equal to 2 plus 7 is 9 upon 4. See children?
Wow.
Both are equal? Both are equal? Yes. Means addition of rational number is applicable. Means associative property is applicable for addition of rational numbers. Right? So let us see the second part, second operation, that is what? Subtraction. Subtraction. So children, if we'll come to subtraction, let us see. 3 rational numbers are this, and associative property, just now I told you, changing of the groups. Okay, see, A minus B minus C. Okay, that is equal to A minus B minus C. Okay, so let us see this one. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 4 and minus let us take 1 by 4. Okay, here now 1 by 2 minus 1 by, not 1 by, this is 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Right? Now this one LCM लेंगे. 4 आया. 2 कितने से 4 होता है? 2 2s are 4. This is 2. Then minus 4. How many times? 1 time. 4 1s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So here you will get 2 minus 2. 1 upon 4. That is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 4. 2 minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here you will get 0 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So this is 4. 4 कितने से? 4 1s are 4. This is 0 only. Minus 1. That is equal to what? Here is 4. 2 कितने से? 4. 2 2s are 4. That means this is 2 minus 4 कितने से? 4 1s are 4. This is 1 only. So what you will get? You will get 0 minus 1 is minus 1 by 4. Is it equal to 1 upon 4? No. It's not equal. So it is not applicable in case of subtraction. Okay? In the same way, for multiplication, if you will see, for multiplication it is applicable, but for division it is not applicable. Let us see with the help of example. For multiplication of 3 rational numbers, that is A into B into C. Firstly with these two, and secondly with A into B into C, this one group. Okay, so let us see. 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 4 and into 1 upon 4. Right children? This is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Here you will get cancel. This is 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Okay. This is equal to 1 upon 2 into this is what? 2 2s are 4. Cancel हो गया ये. So this is 1 upon 4 2s are 8 और नहीं कट रहा तो multiply हो जाएगा denominator. What will get here? See, here will get 16. 4 4s are 16 and 1 1s are 1. And see here what you will get? 2 8s are 16. And what? And 1 into 1 is 1. Both are equal means LHS is equal to RHS. So this multiplication of rational number for multiplication of rational number associative property is applicable. But one more thing is left, that is of division. Children, for division this property is not applicable. So we have done till the third property. The last property we'll do in the next video. So children, I think these three are clear to you. Practice by yourself. बिना प्रैक्टिस से आप कुछ भी नहीं आएगा आपको प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है करनी. Just watch it 2 times, read the book 2 times, you will definitely get, I assure you. Okay children, मिलते हैं next video में. One topic is left that we'll do and some questions are there that I'll tell you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friends. Okay, thank you.